part 15th regarding family. Okay, in this we are discussed about economic needs of a family. Okay, this is one topic, economic needs of a family. Okay, in this it is one of the third basic need for the family members. Okay, here what happens means in this the economic need will be fulfilled by the man and woman who is there in the family. Those man and woman will be fulfill their economic needs of a family. Okay, in this they are combined to a family, means the man and woman, they are having a one relationship, they are living with the one bonding relationship, that is the marriage. Okay, they are fulfilling their family economical needs. Okay, in this the needs like as a woman she will be fulfills their function in the home. Okay, as a woman she is able to fulfill their function in the home, means in the as like woman in the early morning she will be prepare food for the all family members, okay, who are living in the family member. To all family members she will do or she will make some food to the all family members. Okay, she is responsibility for homemaker. Okay, na in the home what are the functions is there, that complete functions will be fulfilled by the woman. Okay, that is the one responsibility of the women's. Okay, next as a man he will be fulfill their outside functions of the home. Okay, as a man, okay, for the economical needs of the family he will be do some functions, he will be able to fulfill some needs of outside of the home. Okay, for example, as a mother we have to prepare some food or we have to do some work in the home. What work is there, that work complete women's only done. Okay, as a father he will be done some work, which work is there from the outside. Okay, for example, the mother will prepare some curries, some food, but as a father we have to, the father will give some vegetables to the mother, then only the mother will do or the mother will prepare some curry. Okay, without vegetables will giving by the father means the mother not prepared any curries for the family members. Okay, as a one responsibility the mother will do which function, which work is there in the home, the work will be fulfilled by the only mothers, okay, or women's. Which work is there outside from the home, okay, that work will be completely done by the man or the father or sons. Okay, next in this nowadays the women also undertaking these functions of, okay, in olden days only the mother, the woman complete work is done in the home, but in nowadays, okay, in the first generation the women also participating, sharing which work is there from the outside of home, the work will be sharing and doing by the women in the nowadays. Okay, she is also going to the outside, she only their own self she will be bring some vegetables to their family. Okay, she has to doing some job or some work, which work is there by the outside of the home, the work is able to done by the women along with the men's. Okay, the men's and women's equal participating in the outside work which is there in the home. Okay, these are the needs of economic in the family. Okay, other needs of family. Okay, in previous we have discussed economic needs of family. Now we are going to discuss about other needs of the family. Okay, in these other needs, what are they means? First one is the love. Okay, in between family members, in between wife and husband, in between parent and children, okay, in between society, okay, every person has the one love and affection, okay, compulsory is there in between the love and affection of your family members or parents or society people, then only the persons or the individual or group will become a happy. Okay, next tenderness and joy, devotion, okay, compulsory in between the family members or the friends or individuals or group of people, okay, they are having this type of joy and devotion and tenderness, okay, compulsory the family members will taking some food, okay, without food there is no living or there is no life healthy or beautiful, okay, when they are taking food then only the food gives some energy to the body, then only the individual will do some activity, okay, without taking food there is no activities or there is no healthy, okay, next in this the individuals will have the safe water supply, okay, once they are fulfilling or once they are drinking safe water means they are avoiding some diseases, okay, we are discussed some unhygienic practices or unsafe drinking water they are taking means some diseases will come due to the storage of microorganisms or bacteria, some viruses, okay, some diseases will comes to the human beings, okay, that's why every human being, every individual in the society or family, he will be drink some safe water, okay, next every human beings or every individual or every family member compulsory have a one shelter, means compulsory every family members have a one house, okay, without house, without shelter they are not maintains their basic needs, okay, once they are having one shelter means they become a one house means they are happy, okay, for fulfilling their needs, okay, next one is the every individuals having the some religions, okay, now their parents means their first generation they are following which type of religion, their second generation, third generation, fourth generation, their family members also following that religion, for example Hindu or Muslim or Christian, okay, one family member, one first generation parents or couples they are following a one Hindu religion means their second generation also following this type of same religion, okay, without religion they are not as strong, okay, next in this every individuals or every family members they are having a one educational development, okay, compulsory every students or every individual or every person learn or some education, okay, through the education they are learning or they are improving their skills, okay, their technology, their knowledge will be improved by the education only, okay, without education uneducated people not having well or skillful knowledge, okay, who is the educated person in the society, those persons are having so much of skillful knowledge, okay, that's why every individual having one need, that is the education, okay, as a child or as a kid or as a human being compulsory he will go for the school for learning some education, okay, he have some qualification, okay, next another one is the language development, okay, every individual compulsory they are improving their language, for example Hindi, English, Telugu, whatever it may be, compulsory they are improving their language, okay, for expressing their feelings compulsory they have a language, okay, without language, without speaking we are not expressing our feelings, we are not sharing our feelings to the family members or the society people or the other persons, okay, once we are improving our language only, then only we are fulfilling our needs, okay, next one is the protection, okay, in the family compulsory every person need one protection, Okay, for example, as a kid, okay, one kid is there in the family means the kid is protected by the, okay, the kid is protected by the parents. Okay, once the kid is not protected by the parents means he will become a bad or unhealthy, or so many struggles is there for the kids. Okay, once the parents will give proper protection to the children, then only the child become a good. Okay, next, this is also one basic need for the protection of a child. Okay, next one is the disposable of waste. Okay, it is a major need because so many diseases will caused by the waste. Okay, now once the disposal of waste, proper disposable is there means then we are avoiding so many of diseases. Okay, now in this the disposal, waste disposal methods following by the women or the society people or the individuals, then we are avoiding so many diseases. Okay, once the infection or once the diseases will caused by the waste disposable means the infection or the diseases will be easily spreading to the one person to another person due to the unhygienic practice of waste disposable. Okay, that's why the government will give some training or some methods will doing, okay, now for disposal of waste. Okay, these are the economic needs or the other needs of a family.